Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about most important and repeated MCQs of Pak studies in Punjab Public Service Commission test. Before start the video, please subscribe my channel and like and share the video. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Hazrat Sheikh Ali bin Usman Hajweri Data Ganjbakhsh came to India during the time of. Answer is Ghaznavi. Number 2. Akbar was a great builder. He constructed and founded Agra Fort, Gujarat Fort, Tomb of Humayun. Number 3. Anjuman-e-Himayat-e-Islam was established on 24th December. Answer is 1884. Number 4. The Muhammad Educational Conference was founded in. Answer is 1886. Number 5. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad launched. Answer is Al Hilal. Number 6. The Jallianwala Bagh incident took place on 30th April. Answer is 1919. Number 7. The pamphlet Now and Never was written by. Answer is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Number 8. Which of the following term was not agreed by the British following the Gandhi-Irwin Pact of 1931? Answer is complete abolition of tax on salt production in India. Number 9. The main purpose of the communal award announced by the British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald on 4th August 1932 was. Answer is to grant separate electorate to minority communities in India, including Muslims, Sikh, and Dalits in India. Number 10. At the time of independence from the British Indian subcontinent comprised of princely or native state which numbered. Answer is 562. Number 11. Provincial elections were held in East Pakistan in. Answer is 1954. Number 12. One unit was established in. Answer is 1955. Number 13. Maulana Abdul Hamid Khan Bashani was a great advocate of. Answer is communism. Number 14. Under the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan, the term of members of Senate is. Answer is 6 years. Number 15. Which of the following is not a member of Economic Cooperation Organization ECO? Answer is Chechnya. Number 16. The Delhi Convention held at Delhi on 8th and 9th April 1946 was a gathering of. Answer is newly elected Muslims legislator of the central and provincial assemblies for demanding the sovereign independent state of Pakistan. Number 17. Under the amended 1973 Constitution of Pakistan, legislative power not specified in the federal legislative list belong to the. Answer is provinces. Number 18. The Indian budget for financial year 1947-48 was presented by. Answer is Nawabzada Liaquat Ali Khan. Number 19. Bolan Pass, a mountain pass in Balochistan, passes through the. Answer is Toba Kakar range. Number 20. The Pakistan resolution was translated in Urdu by. Answer is Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Number 21. the only government in India headed by the All India Muslim League in 1946 was that of? Answer is Bengal. Number 22. The only government in India headed by the All India Muslim League 1946 was led by? Answer is Hussain Shaheed Sohrawardi. Number 23. Gwadar Port was built with financial assistance from? Answer is China. Number 24. In 1947, the ruler of princely state of Jammu and Kashmir was? Answer is Hari Singh. Number 25. The ceasefire line that separates India occupied Kashmir from the Aksai Chin held by China is known as the? Answer is line of actual control. Number 26. The mother tongue of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was? Answer is Gujarati. Number 27. Professional qualification of Quaid-e-Azam was? Answer is Bar at Law. Number 28. Allama Iqbal qualified as PhD scholar from? Answer is Munich University, Germany. Number 29. Jinnah of Pakistan, a famous book was written by? Answer is Stanley Walport. Number 30. Islamabad was made capital of Pakistan in the year? Answer is 1960. Number 31. Majha is a region of the Punjab comprising the modern district of Amritsar, Gurdaspur and Taran Taran is the Indian state of Punjab, and in the Pakistani province of Punjab it includes? Answer is Narowal, Lahore and Kasur. Number 32. Allama Iqbal's famous address at Allahabad was delivered to the dash session of All India Muslim League. Answer is 21st. Number 33. Radcliffe was by profession? Answer is a lawyer. Number 34. Day of Deliverance was observed on? Answer is 22nd December 1939. Number 35. Sir Sikandar Hayat became Chief Minister of the Punjab in? Answer is 1937. Number 36. The governor of former NWFP at the time of independence of Pakistan in 1947 was? Answer is Rob Lockhart. Number 37. Famous Punjabi writer Waris Shah wrote his famous book Heer Ranjha living at the town of? Answer is Malka Hans. Number 38. The chairman of the Council of Common Interest is the? Answer is Prime Minister. Number 39. Pakistan men's hockey team was? Won the Asian Game gold medal dash times? Answer is 8 times. Number 40. Jinnah Sikandar Pact was signed in October 1937 at? Answer is Lucknow. Number 41. The headquarters of SAARC is located in? Answer is Kathmandu. Number 42. Pakistan recognized People's Republic of China? Answer is 1950. Number 43. Margala Hills are a part of which mountain range? Answer is Himalayas. Number 44. Sher Shah Suri built the Rohtas fort at the bank of river? Answer is Kahan. Number 45. Tilla Jogia is? Answer is finds mention in the epic love poem Heer Ranjha of Waris Shah. Number 46. Doaba Rachna is located between the river Chenab and river? Answer is Ravi. Number 47. The name of delta formed by the Indus River is? Answer is Sapta Sindhu. Number 48. The pass which connect Pakistan with China is known as. Answer is Khunjrab Pass. Number 49. Which dam is constructed on river Jhelum? Answer is Mangla. Number 50. Kalar Kahar Lake is located in which district? Answer is Chakwal. Number 51. Mughal Prince Muhammad Dara Sikh who was executed for being an apostate by his own brother Aurangzeb was a disciple of. Answer is Hazrat Mian Mir. Number 52. Multan is also affectionately known as. Answer is City of Saints. Number 53. The last ruler of Bahawalpur state was. Answer is Amir Sadiq Muhammad. Number 54. The first Pakistani Prime Minister to visit China was. Answer is Hussain Shaheed Sohrawardi.